Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Mustang radio malfunction issue and the potential problems associated with it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. Radio malfunctions in the Ford Mustang are commonly described as the audio system not powering on, sound cutting in and out, loss of audio from speakers, touchscreen freezing or rebooting, or controls becoming unresponsive. Verified owner reports and service information show that radio and infotainment concerns have been reported across multiple Ford Mustang model years and generations, with causes varying based on infotainment system design, software integration, and electrical supply stability. One verified and frequently reported cause involves infotainment software issues. Software glitches, incomplete updates, or corrupted system data can cause the radio to freeze, reboot, lose audio output, or stop responding to user inputs. Another confirmed cause relates to electrical power or voltage irregularities. Weak batteries, charging system fluctuations, or momentary voltage drops can disrupt radio operation, especially during startup or when multiple electrical loads are active. Wiring or connector issues are also documented factors. Loose or damaged connectors behind the head unit, speaker wiring faults, or poor grounding can interrupt audio signals or power supply, resulting in intermittent radio operation. Head unit hardware failure has also been reported. Internal component wear or failure within the radio unit itself can cause persistent malfunctions that do not resolve with resets or software updates. Antenna or signal-related issues are another verified consideration. Damaged antenna connections or signal reception problems can affect radio performance, particularly for AM or FM reception. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include temperature-related electronic behavior, recent battery disconnection affecting system initialization, or interference from aftermarket electronic accessories. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include performing system resets, updating infotainment software when available, checking battery and charging system health, inspecting wiring and connectors, and replacing the radio unit when hardware failure is confirmed. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford Mustang radio malfunctions are resolved through software updates or electrical system corrections rather than full head unit replacement. However, experiences vary by model year, infotainment configuration, and usage patterns. In conclusion, Ford Mustang radio malfunctions are typically linked to software instability, electrical supply issues, wiring faults, hardware failure, or signal-related problems. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.